If I have f of x equals negative 3x minus 4, we have our function, and f of x is the same thing as a y value. It's just that we're evaluating the y at a specific x value. If you use good notation, I'm going to take and replace every x with a set of parentheses. And once I have replaced every x with a set of parentheses, then what I'm going to do is take this negative 4, that's an x, and I'm going to replace it for the x inside of parentheses. Now the first way I'm going to do this is just by hand. So equals, if I follow order of operations to simplify, I'm going to do the multiplication before the subtraction. And negative 3 multiplied by negative 4 is positive, is positive 12. And then bring down that minus 4 equals, and then this is going to be 8. Okay, so then the answer is 8. So I'm going to put the 8 right over here, and we're done. But let's go ahead and do this in the calculator. If you use really good notation, and again, that means that every variable turns into a set of parentheses, and then you put the number inside, you can type this straight across in your calculator, negative 3 times negative 4 minus 4. So I'll show you that here. Okay, so I'm going to type negative 3, parenthesis, negative 4, close parenthesis, plus 4, enter. Whoops, did I have that? Minus 4, thank you, my bad. So that's a good time to show you, if I use this arrow up button, I don't have to retype it. I can come in here and I'm going to type over the top and do a minus. Also, just a little quick calculator feature while we're in here. Let's say I wanted to turn this 4 into a 16, but when I type a 1, see how it types over the top? So there's an insert feature that's right above the delete. So I go second, delete, and then it lets me type and insert rather than type over the top. Okay, but let's just come back, and it was actually of negative 4. Enter, and we end up getting 8. Okay, so then coming back here, we'll do just one more from the table. So we start off using good notation here. Every x I just turned into a set of parentheses, and now I'm going to replace the x with the number negative 2. Okay, there we go. And in following order of operations, negative 3 multiplied by negative 2 is positive 6. And then we're going to bring down that minus 4. And then 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. And so the answer here that's going to put back in the table is 2. If I did want to do this one in the calculator, and I'm going to replace the x this time with negative 2. Again, I'm going to edit rather than retype. I'm going to arrow up, and I'm going to put in negative 2, hit enter, and I get 2.